everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Rhonda Robson and I am a fluid artist in the middle of the United States of America. Today I am going to be doing some bloom experiments. And all right, so we're in number 4 of the bloom series that I'm trying to learn and do different types of techniques and experiments. And this one has the gold cell activator. Just like the black one, it didn't turn out as well either. Although it's still pretty, I still like it. I'm learning some lessons, but the gold paint is not like the Amsterdam paint. And so unfortunately I didn't get the lacing or the cells that I wanted, but I still learned some lessons. So let me show you those lessons. Okay, so thanks for joining me. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. Let me get you down the canvas and show you exactly how I did this one. Bye for now. Bye. Hey everyone. All right, so today we're going to be doing more experiments of the bloom technique. And I have my pillow paint right here that I want to get on the canvas. I don't want to necessarily get it all the way off the corners because I want a nice little pillow too as well for my cell activator. So now I'm going to get it back in the center. I'm just going to let it be right there. Okay, so let me get this on my center of my spin device. And the thing that happened and utilize them. I have them mixed with my medium and my poly, well, it's my medium is the poly acrylic, and the base, C base, so C as in cat, base C. Paint, and it's American Floetrol. So I probably put too much paint on again. That's the one thing I'm learning with this one. So I'm going to use the blow dryer this time instead of my mouth. I see some popping in there. Just have to wait and see what it actually comes out to look like. Okay, so since I am experimenting, yeah, see all these cells over here that kind of run off the side with the white. It's kind of interesting how that is going. So I'm going to take my palette knife here, and I am going to swipe one area. That's it. But I'm going to grab some gold on here, on the back of this first. So this is my cell activator, right? And I'm just going to grab a little bit of gold of it. So there you go. So that's how much I have, and I'm just going to kind of swipe. Yeah, the gold certainly is not coming the way that I would want it to. I also see some crazing happening there. So this base paint that I have may not work on this at all. So, but that's why you experiment. All right. Well, I'm going to put this one off to the side and see what happens to it later. Thanks, everyone. See you in a bit.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.